In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time track in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, enable Asana's built-in time fields, and use them to estimate and log hours right inside your project. Start by heading to Asana's login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, click Continue with Google. When your Google chooser appears, pick the account you use for Asana to complete the sign-in. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to track time. You can select it from your home screen or the left sidebar. Click the project name to open it. Inside your project, look to the top right and click Customize. This opens a panel where you can control what your project displays. In that panel, select Fields. Fields let you attach structured information to every task in your project. Next, click Add, then choose Time Your Work. This tells Asana to add its native time tracking fields to your project. As soon as you do that, you'll see two columns appear in your task list: Estimated Time and Actual Time. Estimated time is where you plan how long a task should take before you start. Enter a number representing hours and use decimals for partial hours. For example, type 2 for 2 hours or 1.5 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Keeping a consistent format across your team makes reports and comparisons much clearer. Actual time is where you log the hours you truly spent. You can add time as you go or wait until you complete the task and enter the total. Again, stick to the same format you use for estimates so your data stays tidy. If you don't see the new columns, make sure you're viewing your project in a list layout and that the columns are visible. You can scroll horizontally if needed. A simple workflow looks like this. When you create or pick up a task, add an estimate in estimated time. As you work, update the actual time field. When you finish, compare the two. If a task routinely takes longer than expected, adjust future estimates to improve planning accuracy. This not only boosts personal productivity, it also helps teams forecast workloads and deadlines more realistically. If Customize isn't available, you may need project permissions to add fields. In that case, ask a project admin to enable Time Your Work for you and the team. That's it. You signed in, opened your project, went to Customize, chose fields, added Time Your Work, and now you can estimate and log hours directly on every task. Happy tracking, and I'll see you in the next one.